Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the LED light bulb changeover for the side welcome lights on the Mark X. I've already done the interior cabin lights, as you can see. Same sort of thing. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the doors. So we're just going to get our trim removal tool here and we're just going to wedge it just inside the light cap and it's just going to pop out. Beautiful. Just like that. Very easy. Cool. It's just going to hang out like that. So I'm just going to quickly put my phone down and we're going to unplug it. Alright, so that's out. That's how it looks. You can buy straight up replacements off the internet. Projector styles that might project Toyota or a different logo, whatever you want. But we're just going to go for the white LED just to match the rest of the interior. I'll show you how to pull this apart. Alright, so this is the assembly. You'll see up there, there's a little plastic tab. That basically gets pushed that way. And then the same with this little one there. You can see it right in there. So they basically pushed inwards and this little bottom section drops down. Right, so I've loosened it up. You can sort of see now the tab has dropped on each side. So now this should just pull apart like this. Beautiful, just like that. This is the inside construction. And you'll notice that the bulb is actually held in by a little metal bracket. Most T10s won't fit, which I've already tried, as the metal bracket sits in the way. So you'll need a slimline T10 LED bulb. This is what I mean. Factory bulb, slimline. Let's put it in, see how it looks. Alrighty, let's plug it back in. This is how it looks now. Slimline. Let's see how bright it looks. There you go. Look at the difference. So already that is quite a difference. Brighter than the old yellow bulb, and the white looks much nicer. So let's put it all back together and see how it looks. Much brighter. Let's go have a look at the other door.
Now you can see what a difference this has made, with the yellow being a bit more dull and not looking as premium as the white finish on the other side, and the white also matches the rest of the cabin. Anyway, I hope this video has helped.